Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of Being Bong Chronicles. Uh, in this channel, I always, it's a new channel, and I'm just trying to build something for myself. Actually, if it helps others, that would be great. I'll be really interested to know if you really watch what I say, because it can be something very random also. Uh, Today I wanted to talk to you about one of the episode that recently Ankur Warikoo has put out. How how he has rebuilt uh, his life again at the age of 40, and it was quite an interesting episode for me personally also, because last 2 years have been very difficult financially for most of the people, including me, because the business that I run was a physical, offline business. It's a physical thing. I was into events, exhibitions, and stuff like that, and I had to really reinvent myself. And I don't know whether that reinvention will give me quick results or not, but I'm trying. Now, this particular episode kind of opened my mind in a very positive way, and his story kind of resonated with me in a very interesting way. Why so I'm going to talk to you about three things about this particular video. I really wanted to talk about this video. Personally, I wanted to put it out in my channel also. Reason being that it will be a reminder for me that how certain words, certain people, certain experiences can actually change the way you can kind of change your life, can really change the way you are seeing things. Can somebody else's story inspire you to do well? Can somebody's struggle, can somebody's obstacle really help you revisualize and reimagine and reinvent the way you think? What are the things you might be doing right? What are the things you might be doing wrong? Can you just pick them together, put it on a paper, and work on it? So I really want to thank Ankur for being so upfront, so honest, and so candid about it, and it seemed like he's actually not trying to tell us that, oh, I have earned so much money, oh, I have done this, oh, I have done that. That's what I like about Ankur, that he never tries to make you feel small. What he tries to tell you is that if I can do it, you can do it too. And that is kind of fascinating for me, to know a story out there of a famous person or somebody people look up to, that all have their downs and ups, and how you navigate through them is really interesting. How you reimagine your life. What is it that you really want to do? How focused are you? Are you really understanding your strength and weaknesses and actually working on it regularly at the incremental space? And then suddenly it just, becomes very big. So this is the second gratitude episode that I want to talk about. And this particular episode kind of gave me a lot of faith in me also. I'm also reworking on a lot of things. And I have a target to achieve this year. And maybe last 2 years have been difficult for me and for most of the people, but we can always make it happen, because we have to trust ourselves. We have to make sure that we know our skills. We have to make sure that we know our weaknesses and where we are going wrong. And we need to be very open to ideas, and need to be very aware of the things happening around us, and try to align our skill with what is the need of the time or market or whatever you want to say. Ankur Warikoo, thank you very much for that particular episode. I like all your episodes. Frankly speaking, I've started uh, doing a lot of small cases, watching yours and Rachna's episode. I have started reading more stuff, understanding the concept of money in a more lucrative way, not just the outcome. I have also started reading your stories, reading your posts and your hacks also, and I've tried to use them also. So I literally want to thank you for putting out such honest content out there, because I literally feel that you are not here on this content creation ecosystem to tell people what to do, why to do, how to do, but you are here to tell your story and then being a guide for all of us, to really do some wonder in our life also. This particular episode I'll be posting in the description. You all must watch, because I think how to use the low point of your life and be more creative, be more open, be more interesting, be more understanding, be more aware of what you are. That can literally change the path you are going to take in future. First of all, I always feel that the acknowledging the fact where you are at this point of time is a very important thing. The things you can put down, that these are the things I have to literally work on if I want to do something. These are the things, these are the weaknesses, these are my strengths, these are the area where I don't call it weaknesses, but these are the area where I have to literally work each day, every day, dedicatedly. And the most important thing, without losing the peace of mind. Trust me, there is nothing bigger than that. If you really can't sleep well at night, I don't think anything is worth it. I mean, whatever big people can say that रात को जागना चाहिए और वैसे सपने देखने चाहिए जो आपको रात को जगाए. All the thing is okay, maybe in 20s, but when you're about to reach 40s, when you're even I think even when you're young, you should never compromise with the peace of mind. But yes, you must seek discomfort. This is something I have understood. Don't get into your comfort zone. Don't get into the phase where you are like, okay, हो गया सब कुछ खत्म, बढ़िया है, ये बहुत अच्छा है. नहीं. What I would say is that we all must work on things that we really want to do. We should have something to look up to. There is something, there should be some purpose in your life, and I think purposes are fantastic. Otherwise, we are just another, primate. And Ankur's this particular episode is a must-watch. Ankur's other episodes are also must-watch because he talks a lot about personal finance. He talks a lot about the hacks that we might use to make our life day more productive. How he has basically revamped and redirected his journey, and he is trying to create trust in us, and I trust him fully. In this gratitude series, I want to thank Ankur Warikoo for really changing the way I think. Thank you, Ankur, for making me rethink, reinvent, and I am on that pathway. Thank you.